D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now, in this video, I am on a no cool service call. And as you can see, there is your culprit. There is your problem. Before we get into the video, go ahead and subscribe. Smash that bell icon if you haven't done so already. So when I upload videos like these, you get them right away. Alright, let's get into the video. So I'm on a no cooling service call, and you can see the compressor contactor, or the contactor and the condensing unit. It's going crazy. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I have the power off right here, because if it wasn't, then the compressor will be going on off, on off, on off, on off, on off, which is really bad for the compressor, right? You definitely lose your compressor that way. Okay. So here's the schematic. Pretty simple. And I have 24 volts steady. To 24 volts is steady. I'll show you guys when it's doing that craziness. Okay. See, 24 volts is steady. So here's a new contactor. I'm just going to put it in. Alright, stay tuned. Let's go. Switch is off. So I learned that this thing has a safety switch in there. I saw that, so there's a safety switch in the high pressure, low pressure, and comes back around to the contactor coil. So I want to make sure that these switches isn't the problem. So I have the wires removed from the coil of the contactor, and my test leads on them directly, just to make sure. All right, let's Stay tuned. Turns out there's other issues here because I've got this new contactor hooked up and I still get that chatter from time to time. So maybe something else is going on. It's much better though, but I think there's other issues. See, heard that? That's the brand new contactor. Got it connected and I got the coils connected. See, coils connected. It's bolt in right now. It's better, but I still get that occasional chatter. So I'm gonna have to go inside and check once I'm done here. These two on this side. I have to go inside and check on the indoor unit once I'm finished here. Because I'm still getting that chatter. So something else is going on. But this contactor was short anyways. So as you can see, it's much better, but it's not really the foundation of the problem. Because whatever happened, is going on. You know, make the original contactor coils go bad, even so it's got even worse, where it was like shattering like crazy. But this one still does it occasionally, even though it's brand new. So yeah, let's go check inside now. Can't get that screw. Not good. Yeah, that's better. These wires are wrapped up. Tight to get down in there. Yes, I'm gonna go check the indoor unit after this. Something's going on over there, maybe thermostat. But yeah, this thing is dead. It's beat up. Its points all burnt up. can see. Alright, so if I turned the power back on over here now, this one will suffer the same fate. So now I'm up in the attic. Yeah, I thought I'd found it. Look, listen to this right here. I bet I'm gonna find something wrong here. What do you guys think? Comment in the comment section. Let's open this thing up. Ugh. Woo! Hear that? .516¼ different size screws. Crazy. Grandpa installed this unit. Yeah, now I know why my contactor is going crazy. I bet all the wires and the switches and relays and this thing is going bananas. Yeah, I think we need a new blower housing. Houston, we have a problem. I think we need a new blower housing. Right, a new blower assembly with motor and wheel. Okay, Houston, this is a Goodman furnace. So probably this board shook. Maybe the wires here. Looks like the cooling wires right here. These two wires that goes outside. I think it was red and white, if I'm not mistaken. And maybe these are just listening to vibration. No, not properly connecting or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, gotta change this blower housing, and then from there we go. You know, the whole thing is just shaking it like crazy up here. This thing don't shake and fell off the transformer. Look at this. It's broke off. Supposed to be right here. Okay, this is crazy. Alright. So yeah. That is it for the day. This is a late evening service call. And yeah, I'm stopping right here. Closing everything up, packing everything up. I'm gonna grab the model and serial from this blower. So I'm gonna get to the supply house for this furnace. I'm gonna go to the supply house and tell them I need a new blower assembly. I need motor. I need housing, brackets, the whole assembly. Motor, brackets, wheel, and housing. The whole new assembly. Motor and blower assembly. That's it. And from there, start it up again and see what we got. Maybe we ought to replace this board as well. Right, this board may have to go too. What do you think? Comment in the comment section if you would replace this board. Okay, because maybe it's like shaking to pieces already. All the components, I don't know. And then look at this transformer right here. And this doesn't look like the factory transformer, is it? Maybe it is. No, there's some wire nuts right here. Yeah, that's not factory. That's what that was replaced before. Yeah, Grandpa replaced that before. Alright, so I'm gonna close this video off. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, do so right now. You know. Oh, I think the tag is right here. I get a model on serial. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna close this off. Perhaps I'll do another one when I come back and replace this whole thing right here. So blower assembly, motor, housing, and brackets and everything. Maybe. You guys comment if you want to see it. I'm out.